Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So, in the last week, we saw that there was a decent correction in the Nifty, and we almost came to the lower levels of 19,670, 657 level. And if you look at the chart pattern, so Nifty has the support at the 50-day moving average, which is at 19,600. But then if you look at the weekly and slightly higher time frame, then there is a little bit of distribution which has been seen on the charts. So there is a likely chances that this 19,600 level might get broken during the week. And if that is triggered, then 19,400, 19,200 can be the lower side support level. So if we are having a cautious view for the index, the range for the Nifty would be 19,200 to 20,000 for the next couple of weeks. Only in the near term, if 19,800 is taken out, that too with very good volume, then there can be some probability of short covering. But right now, we are talking of a range. We'll have a cautious view for the this monthly expiry week. Lower levels, 19,600, if that gets broken, then there can be further correction of 200, 300 points on the Nifty index, is what we believe. Coming to the Bank Nifty was underperformer in the last week. It has broken the 50 simple moving average during the week at 44,966. Net will round off to 45,000. And now, in the previous multiple times, 44,500 was the level from where the Bank Nifty has taken a support. And now the close for the Bank Nifty is 44,600. So what I can see is if this 44,500 level is broken down anytime during the week, then there can be a further damage in the Bank Nifty. The 200-day moving average for the Bank Nifty is placed at 43,000 level. So there is a high probability that if 44,500 level is broken, then we might come close to 43,000. So for both the indices, we are having a cautious view. Maybe at least for the week at higher levels, we may see the resistance coming in. Having said this, we are extremely bullish on the auto and PSU banks. So even though when the market is correcting, there are few selected stocks which are holding very strong, extremely positive within the PSU banks. So from the technical breakout point of view, Canara Bank and Union Bank is looking positive, and then from the auto space, M&M and Maruti. So these are the two stocks which are extremely positive. And now coming to the derivatives outlook. So there was a short build-up in Nifty futures to the tune of 0.4%. The put call ratio has declined from 0.82 to 0.92. And the OI data, there was a call writing seen at 19,700 and 19,800 strike price. So this will be the resistance. And the put writing was seen as 19,700 and 19,600. So this will be the support. Coming to Bank Nifty, even the Bank Nifty has seen a short build up to the tune of 4%. The put call ratio has declined from 0.72 to 0.71, so it's marginal decline. The call writing was seen as 45,000 and 44,800, so this will be the resistance. And at the put side, put writing was seen as 44,500 and 44,000, so that will be the support. The stocks which are in ban is in Hind Copper, iBull, Manappuram, Deltacom, Granules, and Canara Bank. And so there are two stocks which are looking extremely good on charts, which we can pitch to our clients. One is the JK Tires at 278 levels. It's looking very strong on chart. That can be a trading bet for the week. Secondly, the Tata Investment Comp. This is also something which is very good on charts. Whenever there is a correction in Tata Investment Comp, we can pitch this as a trading opportunity for the week. Lastly, the FI data. So on the last Friday session on the index future, FI again sold to 10,000 contracts. From the entire long position, they are only holding the 10,000 net long positions, and the long short ratio now stands at 53%. So even the FIs are slowly declining, reducing their long position is what we can see right now. So we will wait for the week to over, and once we see the rollover data and how the rollover sector rollover is done, we'll take the further directional trend. For the week, we'll maintain a cautious view. So that's the technical view. I'll hand over to Bundy sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Thank you, Brijesh sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, team. Few updates from my side. Starting with HCL Tech. HCL Tech on Friday announced that it has expanded its relationship with ANZ Bank to transform its digital employee experience across 33 countries. By leveraging next generation technologies, including extended reality, Gen AI, and IoT powered workspaces, company will support ANZ's next stage of digital transformation. This expansion of existing business model will bodes well for HCL Tech. So we are positive on that. Next is on PVR Inox. As per media sources, the strike of Hollywood writers have reached a tentative pact. So this seems to be positive with respect to PVR Inox. Next is on the Lemon Tree. Lemon Tree has announced the opening of its latest property, Lemon Tree Hotel at McLeod. This is the third property of the group in Himachal Pradesh. With this opening, the company is inching towards the 100 mark as this property is the 95th Lemon Tree Hotel in India and the world. The property on the forest border features 39 well appointed rooms. We believe this is in line with the company's strategy of expanding inventory in a big way to tap industry demand. We are positive on the industry and organized players like Indian Hotels, Chalet, and Lemon Tree Hotels. Next is on the NCC. NCC has one order worth rupees 6,300 crores with JV with J Kumar Infra. The order is to construct or operate seven maintain a tunnel between Film City in Goregaon and Mulund. This is the box type structure tunnel and expecting to get complete in 5 years. Order inflow wise, NCC had inflow of 7,400 crores in Q1 and 7,700 crores in Q2 till now, which is quite robust. Also, valuation wise, stock has corrected recently. Currently, it is trading at 10x price to earnings. We are positive and maintain our buy rating on the stock with a target price of 185. Next is on the AMI Organics. Company has acquired the partnership interest of 55% from existing partners along with the right to receive profits with respect to their partnership interest in Baba Fine Chemicals effective 1st April 2023 with deed of assignment date September 22, 2023 executed among the company and the existing partners of Baba Fine Chemicals and payment of purchase consideration amounting to rupees 68.2 crores less tax deducted source. The new partnership deed under the provision of Partnership Act 1932 shall be executed in due course and shall be intimated accordingly. So that's bode well for the stock AMI Organics. Lastly, on the Bharat Electronics, the company has appointed Mr. Shri Damodar Bhattad, Director Finance, as Chief Financial Officer, key managerial personnel with effect from 28th January 2023 till the date of his superannuation, that is 31st December 2026, or until further orders, whichever is earlier. As head of finance at BEL corporate office, he played a significant role in the formulation of various company policies and procedures. He also played a pivotal role in BEL recording its highest turnover of rupees 15,044 crores in FY22 and achieving an order book of more than 50,000 crores. So that seems to be slightly neutral for the Bharat Electronics stock. That's it from my side. Over to you, Shantanu.
Yeah, thank you, sir, and good morning, everyone. We'll start with some further updates. The first update is on Bajaj Finance, where the company's board is supposed to meet on 5th of October to consider the proposal for raising funds through a QIP route. Next update is on Ambuja Cements, where the Adani promoted company incorporated three wholly owned subsidiaries, namely Lotus IFSC, Ambuja Concrete North, and Ambuja Concrete West to boost the business. It should be a positive update for the company. Next update is on LIC, where the company has received an order demanding GST along with its interest and penalty to tune of rupees 290.50 crores from the Bihar Additional Commissioner. It should be a slightly negative update for LIC. The next update is on Apollo Tires, where company's operation at the manufacturing facility in Limda, that is in Gujarat, have resumed after the temporary stoppage, and this should reflect positively on Apollo Tires stock price today. Next update is on JSW Steel, where the company has terminated its joint venture agreement with New Zealand's National Steel Holdings for establishing scrap shredding facilities in India. JSW Steel will purchase the latter's 50% stake in NSL Recycling. Final update is on Karnataka Bank, where after mobilizing rupees 800 crores in equity capital from institutional investors, the bank will look at a second round of capital raising up to rupees 700 crores in the next 6 months. So this should be a positive update for Karnataka Bank. So this was all from my side. Now I'll hand it over to Prabhakar sir for further updates.
Good morning, team. Delta Corp has received a GST demand of 11,139 crores for alleged underpayment for GST for a period from 2017 to 2022. So this is something where government interference is very negative for gaming. So we have always avoided any gaming because regulation there is going to be a lot of misreading between the lines. So I think one has to be very careful. The penalty amount and GST is more than the market cap of Delta Corp. Monsoon is likely to withdraw from September 25. The cumulative rainfall 1st June to September 22nd is 6% less than the normal, but the withdrawal will take from September 25. It will be from Rajasthan, but the expectation is before that. Now the rainfall will increase, is what they are saying. So the deficit can be slightly lower. Reservoir storage, that is a worry, which is 8% less than the 10-year average. So that is slight worry because reservoir storage has been very high in the last few years. And when you have a lesser monsoon and lesser storage, it puts strain on the cultivation. But when it comes to the average acreage sowing, Kharif sowing is slightly higher at 0.34, and it is likely to pick up. Borosil informed about delay in receiving delivery of imported machinery from Europe for setting up a furnace, due to which 25-ton production capacity of borosilicate glass at Jaipur, Rajasthan will be delayed, and the likely commissioning will be 31st January 2024. Lux Industry has informed the exchanges that Income Tax Department conducted survey in offices and premises of Lux Industries in Kolkata. Slightly negative for Lux Industries. One more corporate governance issue. Jharkhand has approached NCLT to give an interim order for interim management, as family members of the promoter have filed an oppression and mismanagement petition. So the majority group has almost 69%, but against them the minority family group has given petition. So this is slightly negative for Jharkhand. There is one more such thing which has happened. I think it is in Liberty. Liberty will have a 37th AGM on 30th September. Three important AGM is to remove. Now, three members have passed a resolution to remove the CEO Adarsh Kumar Gupta. So this is because they say there is non-performance. So they want to remove Adarsh, but this has been going for some time. Ratnamani Metal has entered with a JV with Techno Energy AG of Switzerland, where Ratnamani Metal will hold 51%. The other partner will hold 49%. Central Bank of India entered into a co-lending partnership with ECL Finance to offer MSME loan. Lupin acquires 5 brands from Methani to strengthen its position. This is an exclusive India thing. Already Lupin was the sole supplier, but now they will manufacture and supply. Sri Renuka Sugar, previously we were talking about it. Sri Renuka Sugar has entered into a binding agreement to buy Anamika Sugar in UP, which has 4,000 tons per day crushing capacity. The total deal value is 345, but 100 crores will be paid in advance. So balance will be, loans and other things they will take care of. There was one video from CNBC which was very interesting. He talked about how low stocks, low floating stock, the stocks has been manipulated or they are running up. So in that, many of the stocks are government-owned stock where government stake is 99%, including LIC or special funds. So, for example, KIOCL, government owns 99.03%. The floating stock is less than 1%. The stock has given more than 70% return. Punjab and Sindh Bank, 98.25% holding is from the government. Less than 2% is what the public holds. IOB, 96.38% they hold. Now, UCO Bank, 95% holding government holds, and LIC holds 1.24%. So, wherever you take HMT, again 93.69% government holds, Special National Investment Fund holds 5.61%. So, 99.3% it is held because HMT is a loss-making company. ITI, again loss-making company, government holds 90.28%. Special fund holds 7.96%. So 97.89% is held by the government and their special fund. Hardly 2% is the floating stock. MMTC, again, the LIC and everything together, they hold 92.24%. Low float funds have given more than 80%, 90% return in the last 6 months, which people have to be careful. And many of, in few stocks, they are making losses. So, people should be aware of this. Now, with that, over to you, team.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. हम इस कॉल को एक बार हिंदी में कर लेते स्टार्ट करते डेल्टा को आपको देखा जाए तो जीएसटी टीम से एक नोटिस आया गया है 11,139 करोड़ का देखा गया जो कि बहुत ही नेगेटिव रहेगा इनका मार्केट कैप देखा जाए करीब 4,500 करोड़ का जो देखा जाए 3 गुना मार्केट कैप का जीएसटी डिमांड नोटिस है और ये जीएसटी डिमांड नोटिस देखा जाए 2017 से 2022 का है 5 साल के लिए 5 साल के अंत कर दिया गया है जिससे हम देख रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट वैसे भी बहुत इंटरफेरेंस कर रहा है ऑनलाइन गेमिंग सेक्टर में तो ये थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव रहेगा तो हमें स्टॉक से थोड़ा हमें बच के रहना चाहिए लेकिन भी देखा जाए मानसून का विड्रॉल हो चुका है 25 सितंबर से विड्रॉल स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ओवरऑल देखा जाए तो क्यूमुलेटिव 6% दिस मानसून देखा गया है और विड्रॉल भी स्टार्ट हो गया राजस्थान से रिजर्वर्स देखा जाए तो 8% के आसपास का हमें लिस्ट देखा गया 10 ईयर एवरेज से सेकेंडली अगर हम खरीफ सोइंग देखा जाए तो 0.34% की हाईएस्ट देखी गई है बोरोसिल ने कहा कि उनकी जो एक मशीन आने वाली है वो डिलेड है यूरोप से आने वाली थी तो उनकी जो सिलिकेट ग्लास की सेटिंग है वो जनवरी से स्टार्ट होगी लक्स इंडस्ट्रीज ने भी आईटी डिपार्टमेंट ने सर्वे किया था तो इसकी नेगेटिव न्यूज रहेगा लक्स के लिए जागरण प्रकाशन जो एनसीएलटी में उन्हें इंटरनल मैनेजमेंट के लिए केस किया गया है जो कि माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डर का वोट 69% माइनॉरिटी ने पिटिशन फाइल की गई है लिबर्टी शूज जो है उनकी एजेंट हो गई 30 सितंबर को 3 मेंबर्स ने इंटरनली वोट किया है सीईओ आदेश गुप्ता को रिमूव करने के लिए क्योंकि नॉन परफॉर्मेंस के चलते रत्ना मिनी मेटल्स ने स्विस कंपनी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ पार्टनरशिप की है 51:49 रेशियो में सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने भी अपनी को लेंडिंग फैसिलिटी स्टार्ट की है ईसीएल के साथ एमएसएमई लोन्स के लिए यूपिन ने 5 ब्रांड्स एक्वायर की है मिथानी से जो कि मैन्युफैक्चर करेगी और सप्लाई भी करेगी पहले से वो सप्लाई करती थी रेणुका शुगर्स ने एक पैक्ट एंटर किया है अनामिका शुगर मिल से जो कि 4,000 टन की इनकी क्रशिंग कैपेसिटी है और 345 करोड़ का रहेगा 100 करोड़ का ऑप्शन पेमेंट रहेगा जैसे हम देख रहे हैं न्यूज आर्टिकल था लो फ्लोटिंग स्टॉक्स में सबसे हाईएस्ट रिटर्न दिए गए जैसे केओसीएल पीएसपी आईओबी यूको बैंक एचएमटी आईटीआई एमएमटीसी सो यहाँ से फिर हमें लगता है जैसे फ्लोटिंग रूट रेट्स मार्केट कैप अगर फ्लोटिंग या कम जाता है तो फिर एग्जिट के लिए थोड़ी हमें दिक्कत आ सकती है। अगली हम न्यूज देखेंगे एचसीएल टेक ने फ्राइडे अनाउंस किया कि उन्होंने अपनी कैपेसिटी एक्सपांड की गई है रिलेशनशिप ई बैंक के साथ जो कि ट्रांसफॉर्म करेगा डिजिटल एम्प्लॉय एक्सपीरियंस अक्रॉस 33 कंट्रीज के साथ जो कि लेवरेज करेंगे नेक्स्ट जेन टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि इंक्लूड करेंगे डीएलटी जनरेटिव एआई आईओटी पावर्ड वर्कस्पेसेस एचसीएल टेक को एचसीएल टेक ने सपोर्ट किया एएमजेड की जो डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और एक्सपेंशन एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस के लिए अच्छा रहेगा। एज पर मीडिया सोर्सेज जो हॉलीवुड राइटर्स ने एक स्ट्राइक किया गया है जो कि टेंटेटिव पैक के लिए ओवरऑल पॉजिटिव रहेगा पीवीआर आइनॉक्स के लिए। लेमन ट्री होटल्स ने कहा कि उनकी जो लेटेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी है मैक्लोडगंज पे जो कि थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी रहेगी हिमाचल प्रदेश में इसकी ओपनिंग देखी जाए तो 100 मार्क होगा प्रॉपर्टी लेमन ट्री पे जो कि 95 लेमन ट्री होटल है इंडिया में। तो प्रॉपर्टी फॉरेस्ट बॉर्डर के पास है 39 वेल अपॉइंटेड रूम्स है और ये कंपनी की स्ट्रेटेजी के साथ लाइन है जो कि इंडस्ट्री और हिमाचल प्रदेश में टैप करना है। नेक्स्ट एनसीसी ने एक ऑर्डर बन गया 6300 करोड़ जो कि जेवी रहेगा जेकेआईएल के साथ जेकुमार इंफ्रा जो भी ऑर्डर कंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा 7 और मेंटेन टनल बिटवीन फिल्म सिटी गोरेगा और मलून के बीच में। ये बॉक्स टाइप स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा जो कि कंप्लीट होगा अगले 5 साल में। हम एनसीसी को ऑर्डर फ्लो देख रहे हैं तो 7400 दिख रहे Q1 में एंड 7700 दिख रहे Q2 में जो कि रोबस्ट है। और स्टॉक प्राइस देखा जाए स्टॉक करेक्ट हुआ है रिसेंटली और ट्रेडिंग कर अपने 10 के पी के आसपास हमारी बाय रेटिंग है 185 के प्राइस है। अमी वगैरह से कंपनी ने कहा कि उन्होंने एक्वायर किया एक्वायर्ड पार्टनरशिप 55% एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर से जो कि राइट और रिसीव प्रॉफिट रहेंगे बाबा फाइन केमिकल से जो कि इफेक्टिव रहेगा अप्रैल 1 से। और एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर को बाबा फाइन केमिकल ने पेमेंट ऑफ कंसिडरेशन देखा जाए 6821 करोड़ दिया गया है और न्यू पार्टनरशिप डीड जो है प्रोविजन करेगी 19 करोड़ के चलते। बीएल के लिए न्यूज जो भी कंपनी ने अपॉइंट किया श्री दामोदर खत्ताड़ डायरेक्टर ऑफ सीएफओ को 28 जनवरी 23 के लिए और सुपरनेशन रहेगा 31 दिसंबर 2026 के लिए फर्दर ऑर्डर हेड ऑफ फाइनेंस रह चुके बीएल कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रक्चर के लिए और उन्होंने एक सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले किया गया फॉर्मेशन वेरियस कंपनी पॉलिसी एंड प्रोसीजर्स के लिए और पिवटल रोल रहा गया है। टर्नओवर में जो कि 15,000 करोड़ दिखा जाता है 22 में और ऑर्डर बुक उन्होंने 5000 करोड़ के आसपास किया। So that's it from my end. Thank you and for the morning call for women on discussion.